It would seem that we are not alone in this universe. We got a strange visitor. It's not 3A Atlas. It's a different comment. We'll get into that in just a minute. We, of course, are going to be talking about this massive solar storm that is happening. Hopefully, you've been watching the live streams. And, of course, show you the human resonance. So, by all means, welcome on everyone. Back at it again, guys. I'm back at it again. And not only that, but just a couple hours after seeing this, you're going to see some crazy Schumann resonance data you've probably never seen. Um, we're going to skim through a lot of data from 2019 till now. And it's going to be pretty interesting. Let's jump into this. So, of course, the NOAA, if I'm not mistaken, they pretty much alerted everybody on a massive geomagnetic storm. And, well, that M8.1 solar flare, that was pretty strong. That was straight Earth directed. And we talked about this on stream, but there was, of course, yesterday, actually not yesterday, but on December 6th, of course, a Type 2 and Type 4 radio missions, and of course we had massive earthquakes, which I need to get into, and all this happened from sunspot region 4299. It was an 8.1 solar flare, pretty powerful as you can see, and it definitely was a CME that lasted for quite a while. This will be pretty strong, and since it's Earth directed, we're definitely going to be feeling it. So overall, of course, it's December 8th. Let's get into the solar activity. Here's the sun. Now, you can definitely see all this sunspots right here. You see how active the sun is. Now we have a coronal hole. It's already formed, by the way. So this is going to be a big coronal hole that is coming. So on the top left, you're seeing it. And of course, this is image 1938, 12/8, December 8th. As you can see, of course, a coronal hole on the top left. And we got a lot of activity looking directly at us. So let's keep on looking. You know, this sunspot region 4299 looks pretty big. The other two, oh my goodness, massive, massive, massive sunspots. Let me tell you. Whoa, we're getting hit right now. What the heck is going on? Huh. Whoa, this just shot up an M4.68. Okay, and this doesn't look like it's stopping either. So, how I'm telling you, everything happens at midnight, bro. Um, that's insane. So right now it's already an M5. What the flip? We just had a C class, and all of a sudden it just shut up an M5. So we're gonna see how strong this gets. This is insane right now. Yeah. So this was a recent CME we had. I think this was an M class. Not too much. Not too much actually. So 4 point. That's insane. We've had a lot of. Actually, we haven't talked about the recent ones either. So we had the 8.1 that was followed up. Before it was a 1.1, and then recently, let's look at the 24 hours. We had an M2.4 and an M2, and right now we got something. This could be a freaking X, bro. What sunspot did it come from? Right. So it hasn't registered just yet. I'm betting it's 4299 or 4294. So that's gonna get updated as we go on. So we have a massive potential X class. It's spiking freaking fast and intense. On the coronal detection, you probably can't even see it, but there's just a top dot on the top left, indicating that's a coronal hole. Let's shoot into earthquakes. So I want you to know that we had like a Type 4 radio mission, Type 2 around here, and our largest magnitude, let me refresh, is a 5.8 in Alaska. Now when we zoom in, 150, I just want you guys to know, about 150 freaking earthquakes in this area. Not 50, 150. 5.8 in Alaska is getting pretty intense. A 5.1 in Alaska, Let's look at the newest ones. I mean, there's just been so many earthquakes. It's actually freaking crazy. Um, Schumann resonance. There it is. Not too much going on here. Italian Schumann resonance. Got some red line spikes. We're gonna skim through. Oh, we got some odd activity going on over here. So things are definitely getting overwhelming. No activity on the magnetic field at the ground station. Oh shoot, it's an X. It's an X. It's an X 1 point. It's still rising, I bet. It's still rising. Alright. That's insane. So at this rate, I don't know. It's not showing an X. I don't think it's going to be able to. This is going to shoot up higher. That definitely looked like a potential X. I'm not going to lie. That came in. That definitely looks like a freaking X. That's going to shoot high. That's a strong one. Jeez, that could be the one. So as we're literally tracking that in real time, let's keep going. So of course we have something different going on right now. There was a comet being tracked around July 2nd. That was 2025 OW. And in the Pan Star 50 Star S2 telescope in Hawaii, they pretty much initially found it. But as of now, this is definitely having odd movement. This is a truly odd moving, comet. But it's moving. So, is this a strange visitor? Is this an asteroid? We got no idea. So this is truly weird. So this was just posted. Um, Things are getting intense right now, and things are crazy. So I hope everybody's doing good. Um, wow. So this is interesting. Let's keep taking a look. Let's see if it shoots up higher. It doesn't have it as an X right now, but that's shooting high. We look at it from here. It's still shooting, but it stopped. No, it's going up. It shot up. All right, it hit X 1.14. All right. By the way, let's talk about that. So we made a video, 5+ years of Schumann resonance data. I think you guys are gonna love it. I think you guys are gonna like it. Definitely shows you all the data. Shows you how intense things were, believe it or not, during solar minimum. Very odd. I think that's it. I think it was a 1.14. I'm guessing. I'm gonna make the assumption it was that. Yeah, I think it was. We give it like another minute. That's still insane. That's facing us. Still doesn't have it registered here. I'm gonna make the assumption, guys. 4299 or 4294. Insane. Strong. How interesting, right? Like, how interesting, right? Like, the news never. Oh, by the way, this is a big thing, too. The news doesn't necessarily talk about how um, strong geomagnetic storms or anything, but all of a sudden, everybody's starting to talk about it. I'm guessing if it's a trend, everybody talks about it. I don't know if this is going to shoot higher. I think it stopped. That's still insane. It doesn't say which sunspot. I think that's it. So it doesn't say which one. I'm gonna make an assumption it's 4299 or 4294. That's gotta be it. That's insane. Um, Overall, I'm so thankful for everyone who's been watching. A lot of content coming, so I do hope everybody's doing good. Um, Make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button. That is it. That is insane. I think that's it. That was powerful. We'll find out which sunspot it is, but by all means, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Thank you all so much for watching. Check out the videos, and I will see you. Oh man, you guys can barely even see the X there, but I think it's all right. Thank you all so much. Like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.